Nation building is all about empathy, sympathy, humanity, love, and respect people's opinions and values, connecting the dots and giving purpose to humanity. That is nation building. Nation building, in another realm, is to ensure that both the physical, the spiritual, and the environmental, the resources and everything about geographical location and demography of that land enjoy and get what belongs to them. And you can't just say you are building nation without people. So no people, no nation. People are the representative or representation of nation. So your concern is on people, even your organization, even in your community, in your family called people. When there's no people, there's no family. So people is the number one of my agenda. People. How are we going to help them? How are we going to give them purpose? How are they going to get going in life? There are a lot of things that are meant naturally to discourage some individuals. Discouragement is all over. What we get too tired is all over places. Lack of resources, lack of help. Like I said then, I just want to make it so simple for us to understand where we are coming from and where we're going. And so that is what I can say. Now, nation building is about impacting people's life and give them a living principles, value, adding values to life, adding values to what we can refer to as nation building. That's all.